Ashan's dad here from OG Creations. It's time to make a gift for a friend of mine. Before we get started, I humbly ask that if you like this video, please hit the like button, leave a comment or two, and subscribe to my channel. Your help will be greatly appreciated. I'm starting with a cotton spandex woman's flex denim jacket from Tommy Hilfiger. This has been soaked in a soda ash bath for 25 minutes. Using a spin-only cycle, it was spun until practically dry. I lay it flat on my work surface. Starting at the shoulder seam, I begin to twist the fabric. I create a decline by lifting one end of my dye rack. I line the rack with foil to give it a smooth surface for the runoff. I also create side barriers with foil to hold the ice in place. I add a thick layer of ice on top of the twisted jacket. I apply dry dye powders on top of the ice. Here I'm using Scarlet, deep orange, and clear yellow. And since this is denim, I apply quite a bit of dye powder to ensure the particles can make it through all of that fabric. I top it with a layer of soda ash. Once the ice is melted, I set it aside for 48 hours to process in a 70-degree space. It is rinsed in cold water, and then I slowly increase the temperature to hot to ensure that all the soda ash has been removed. It is then ran through the laundry using a cold water cycle and then a hot water cycle. After it is dried and ironed, I set it aside for me to wrap at a later time. You can get similar items by visiting my Etsy store by clicking the link above or by visiting ogcreationstore.etsy.com. Beautiful! The friend I created this for absolutely loved it. It looks like a fireball falling through the sky, and hopefully headed directly to the White House. God, I wish. I'll see you next time.